Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 and today I'm going to show you how to uninstall applications from this watch. So let's get started. First you will need to wake up the screen, and you can do it by pressing the home button. After you wake up the screen, swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Now find the icon of the application you want to remove, and once you find it, press and hold on it. And if the application is removable, you will see the uninstall option. You can tap on it and then tap on OK to confirm. And the app will be removed from your watch. Like I mentioned before, some of the applications are not removable. So if you try to remove, for example, alarm, it won't let you. So some of the system applications you won't be able to remove. Be aware of that. And basically that's it. Once you're done, you can press the home button to go back to watch face, and that's how you uninstall applications from this watch. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.